First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, pretty much right on cue. We've got rain pulling into south central Kentucky. That rain will be with us pretty much all day. It may come in waves. A shower, thunderstorm for a little bit, taper off, and then another wave comes in. And we're seeing that already this morning on First Alert Live Doppler radar. I have this in motion showing you the last 1 hour of the movement of the rain, which is pretty much southwest and northeast. The stronger storms are now moving through parts of Todd and into Logan counties. In fact, we'll zoom in on that area right along the 6880 corridor. Russellville, you were dry for a few minutes, but now you're starting to get the rain once again. So if you travel US 79, like you're going to go to Allensville down to Guthrie, you're going to run into some heavy downpours. Cluster of lightning there, 431 south as you head, say, down toward Adairville in southern Logan County. And all that is pushing toward Auburn and toward the Bowling Green area. Nothing severe, but a good downpour of rain, some lightning and thunder as you travel this morning. Temperatures are starting out in the 60s across south central Kentucky as we take a look at the Mesonet network. Oh, but first, let me tell you about this. The Spring Weather Radio Blitz tomorrow in case there is ever severe weather. We've had our lack of severe weather this spring season, but that's certainly good news for everybody. But tomorrow is an opportunity for you to come out and get ready for severe weather whenever it does happen with our Spring Weather Radio Blitz. We'll be at the Kroger store tomorrow from 10 a.m. to noon. That's the Kroger on the bypass in Bowling Green, right across from the Medical Center. So come on out and see us, and we'll get you prepared for whenever severe weather decides to strike, which could be any time. Temperatures this morning, as mentioned, in the 60s, mainly mid-60s all across the area. Hometown forecast today, we go to Lake Cumberland, and you're going to see the rain eventually, even though things are fairly dry right now. Russell Springs, Jamestown area, 71 today, 72 for Burkesville, 73 for Albany. By the way, the Saturday night Powerball jackpot up to a whopping $270 million. Mega Millions at an estimated $154 million. With the rain and the clouds, well, the pollen count back down in the low category. So is the UV index, so things have at least improved there. Here is a live view from our newest AAA Systems weather cam. This is I-65 Scottsville Road, and you can see the dark sky off in the distance here as we're looking west. That's some of the rain and thunderstorms I showed you on radar coming up from out of Logan County, and those showers will be pulling into the Bowling Green area. Already some wet streets, and I-65 is wet here this morning as well. Munfordville, cloudy, 65 degrees there. Temperature of 65 at Mammoth Cave National Park. You've had a little bit of rain. You're about to get some more. Russellville, those showers pulling into the city now, 66. Your current temperature reading, 69 at the Bowling Green Airport, which is pacing 12 degrees warmer this morning than we were at this hour yesterday morning. The moisture flow coming in now from the south and west. Pretty good coverage of rain, as you can see here. It'll be here for much of the day in waves, coming in, tapering off, then coming back later. Nothing really severe expected here. The front still back to the west of us. It's going to pull on through as we get into tonight and early tomorrow. Rain and thunderstorms lining up ahead of it today into early this evening, and then tapering off overnight into early tomorrow morning. Once that first front passes by, still a partly sunny day to mostly cloudy, maybe even a few leftover showers. It's the secondary front that'll come through Saturday evening, which will usher in the cooler, drier air for Mother's Day and bring back the sunshine. Showers and thunderstorms likely today, 73, then down to 57 tonight with a continued chance for a shower or thunderstorm. Tomorrow, we'll only make it up to about 70, with mainly a shower in the morning, then becoming partly sunny. A cooler, drier, sunnier day for Mother's Day at a high of 66, well below average for this time of the year. In fact, 20 degrees cooler than average. Then we'll warm it right back up pretty quickly into the 70s and 80s into next week.